G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and you have made it to the final installment of the ABCs of PSE. Today's letter is the letter Z. Z in your toolbox is the zoom tool, and the zoom tool is really handy and can work in a variety of ways. Let's show you how it works. So the default setting of the zoom tool is to increase the size of whatever you're looking at. You're zooming in closer to your photograph. You can also zoom out by choosing the zoom out option and then clicking, but you can also use the zoom tool in a number of different ways. You can click and drag so that that specific selection fills your view, and you can actually shortcut your way to a few different common zoom modes. You can zoom in 1:1, which means that your pixels are shown at actual size. You can click the fit screen button to fit your photo within the viewing area in Photoshop Elements. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control or Command 1 for 1:1 size, Command or Control 0 for fit screen, and then fill screen, which fills the photo into your viewing area, and print size, which shows it in actual size. Now, print size and 1:1 may be the same, but depending on the resolution of your photo, it may also be slightly different. I often use fit screen, Control 0, so that I can see the whole picture, but I love to zoom in when I'm working on detailed work and doing some retouching. If you turn on the option to allow floating documents in expert mode, you can have the zoom tool also resize your windows to fit. So as you zoom in, your window is getting larger or smaller. And if you're looking at multiple different files, you can actually zoom all windows together if you'd like to work on them side by side. So that's a little bit about the zoom tool. I hope it's been helpful. It's one of my favorite tools. I use it constantly, and I use keyboard shortcuts to zoom in, which is Control plus or Control or Command on the Mac minus, even when I'm using other tools. Thanks so much for joining me for this series. I hope you've learned a lot, and if you haven't seen all the videos in my ABCs of PSE series, there's a playlist which I'll link here. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought about the series and what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it. That really helps me see which videos you all like, and subscribe if you'd like to learn more about Photoshop Elements. If you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop Elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.